Hello everybody, howdy, how's it going? Oh my gosh, I'm tired as hell. Ah, I don't know why I'm so tired, but I'm really tired today. So this is gonna try to make this a little bit quicker, because this is kind of a little thing that I have to do for a computer science thing, and it's kind of just a small little deal, but it's actually pretty cool. So what I have here before me is a program called Scratch. If you want to find it yourself, just type into the URL bar scratch.mit.edu. It'll take you right there. Create yourself a profile and get started on creating. So this is your little guy here where you can start off with him. You can have all these different things for him and all these different things do something. And I'll go through a more in-depth tutorial on Scratch in general, but I have an assignment that I gotta do. Um, for computer science. So I'm gonna do that and give you guys a tutorial on how to do that. So if I remember right, what I need to do is I need to use a sprite that isn't Scratch here, and I have to make it a random number guessing game, I think is what it is. Hold on real quick. Yeah, this is it right here. Open number guessing game, choose a nice background, character, blah blah blah. So this is pretty much what I have to do to make it, or what I need to do for it to be right. So I need to have appropriate sounds. I have to have costume changes. When the game is over, I can change that. I can make it a larger range and give hints, but I'm not going to do that. I am going to make it a larger range, I think 1 to 20, because 5 attempts between 1 and 10 is a little bit too easy. So I'm going to go with 1 and 20. So I almost went to my physics. What I need to do is I need to get a different backdrop for this. So what do you guys think would be a good backdrop for this? I don't know. Music and dance. Have it on a stage. Have it on a bench. That would be pretty cool. Have it in the city. Castle, nature. Let's do this one. Yeah, that looks good. And then you can screw around with it here if you want, like da 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 da. And it puts it there. But I don't want that. So, can I undo that? Yeah, I just undid it. You can't have scripts with the background. For some reason it's running really slow. Probably because I have like a million freaking tabs open on the top of the screen that you can't see. For reasons of reasons. So, next thing is to change sprites. So I'm gonna cut you out of here. This is the cut tool, or you can go in and delete manually. And I need someone who would work for something like that. So what is something that would work really good? Someone who's like sitting or something, maybe. Maya. Could do Maya. She's kind of facing the wrong way. I wonder if I could change that. Because I could use her. But I'd like to put her so she's facing the other way. Can I... There we go. Something like that. Now that that's good, we're going to go to events. When this green flag is clicked, it will trigger this thing that's going to keep going. So, what this is it's going to be a bunch of if-then-else blocks, which is this right here. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, like, I don't know, have some sort of intro music. No, not that. I want to see what we have for, like, music. No, not my own music. I need something that'll be more musical or something. No, I don't want to make my own thing. Oh god. That was ear rape. Yeah, let's go with that. What's until done? No, I want to change it. There we go. So then that'll happen, and then we'll say something like, hello. Time to guess a number. And then we'll say I am thinking of a number between 1 and 20. And I can't remember how to make her think of number. It's under operators, I do know that. I'm gonna need to well, that wasn't any help. I know pick a number between 1 and 20. I know she has to do that. I don't know when she does that or how she does that. I can't remember. How come I can't remember how to do this all of a sudden? Alright, after a little bit of searching, I need to create my own thing here. So, I'm going to make this random number. So, I'm going to set random number to some number between 1 and 20. Alright, that looks good to me. And then say hide it. Alright, so then, now that I have that, so that it'll pick a random number between 1 and 20, I can say actually, let's do this 5 times. And then I'll use if-then blocks rather than if-then-else. So, if random number is less than the answer, then you say too high, try again. Likewise, the random number is higher than the answer, then you will say too low, try again. Yeah. 30. And then this one will probably have to change to an if-then-else. No. It'll still be if-then, never mind. Alright, so I probably should explain what I'm doing here. Because it's honestly confusing me as well, trying to figure this stuff out. So what I did is I created a variable here, my data. It's going to set this number to be such and such. And that number, that random number, is going to be what she is thinking of. And the user, in this case me, would guess any number between 1 and 20, 3 or something. If it's any lower than 3, then she'll say too high, try again. If it's lower, or if the random number is higher than 3, then she'll say too low, try again. And then this one, if it's spot on, if the random number is equal to the answer, then she'll stand up. No, I don't. Stop it. Can I find you again here? Doesn't seem like she's got a standing position. I may have to use a different one. Because otherwise she'd go from looking like this to looking like that. And it's not the best ever transition. And you can tell that there's a difference. So what I can do is I can duplicate all this, put it there, get a new sprite, someone who sits down and then gets up and walks. Or at least sits down and then stands up. Maybe I'll do that one. I'll just change the background again. I'll just, oh yeah, I can do that, and it'll go right into here. And they'll say the same thing, but I can get rid of Maya, so. Clip you out of existence, and I need something, really cold looking. Slopes. Perfect. Why won't you? Hold on. Let's do that drum thing again. There we go. It's better. Switch costume and say correct. Congrats. I'll have to have some more music going again because it asked. This one I'll say go until done. This one I'm gonna do a different one. Oops. And I'll go. Oh, Jesus. That doesn't sound good at all. That's a hand clap. That doesn't sound good at all, either. Spiral?
True.
That was such a fake thing. No, we needed something instrumental. I like this one for a win. It'll be drum funky, right? Yep. And then after that, we're gonna have it stop. Where is that? Isn't that in control? Yeah, stop all. And if it repeats 5 times and they don't get it, then we'll say that for 3, we'll do 4 seconds, and then we'll have a sound play. And then we'll stop all at the end. But we need a different sound again. I don't know why I keep doing that when I can just go to sounds. But, oh well. So what's something that, is kind of sad? Not exactly what I was thinking it would be. could do something like that. No. I'll go with something like that. So, this is all I have to do for it. I'll go over things more in depth later, but I need to put this also. Would you stop it? I'm trying to change this because I don't want that. I want it to play until done. And then do that. Like that. Oh. Oh. That's not what I was hoping it would be. And there. Alright. So let's see if this works. Oh yeah, I should probably change that because I made it so it'll think of anything between 1 and 30. Either way, 1 and 20. 5. Too high. Alright. So that was a failure. So I need to do this. So it'll ask again. I'll go with 5. Too low. Try again. 10. 16. 30. 20. Alright, maybe I should change this back to 20. But yeah, that's pretty much the entire thing that I needed to do here. Oops, that's the one that I was referencing. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty much all I needed to do for this. I could make it say game over and change the background, but I don't really want to. I just want it to be like, too bad, better luck next time kind of thing. But yeah, it works, so I'm pretty happy with it. Let's go in the middle with 15, too low. 20. 17. 18. And then that's it. And then you start it back up, and I'll start everything over again. So I'll go into a more in-depth kind of thing on how to work Scratch a little bit later, some other time. My head really hurts. Anyway, yeah, that is Scratch. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to check it out, I mean, just look up scratch.mit.edu again. Link hopefully will be in the description if I remember to do that. And yeah, Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, feel free to leave a comment saying what I could program in Scratch next, because I do kind of enjoy this. It's a fun little pastime for me, along with working in Adobe stuff. So, yeah. That being said, I got nothing else. So, thank you guys once again for watching, and I will talk to you later.